place aluminum foil in the toilet, and you will be surprised by the results. I put aluminum foil in the toilet and was surprised by the result. After my friend, who works in a 5-star hotel, showed me this trick, my bathroom always smells good. Stay until the end of the video so I can show you how to do it at home too. For this, we will need a bar of soap. Here I will use an aloe vera soap, but you can use whichever you have at home. I use this one because I love its fragrance. We will do the following. Grate the whole bar of soap onto a plate. Last week I went to a hotel and wondered what they did to make the bathroom smell so good. Then my friend told me about this and I was surprised at how simple it was. After grating the entire bar of soap, we will take a little bit of toothpaste. You can also use any other brand. We will put a small amount on the soap. This will leave your bathroom with a very pleasant smell, and thanks to its mild abrasive agents, it is effective at removing hard water stains and limescale deposits. To finish, we will add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This ingredient neutralizes odors, enhances the soap's aroma, and eliminates toilet bacteria. After adding the 2 tablespoons, mix everything very well with your hands until it forms a dough-like consistency. Tell us from which city or country you are watching this video. We would love to greet you in our next video. Today, we send a special greeting to Juanita Polo from New York, USA, and Maria Mateo from Ontario, Canada. We thank both of them for watching and sharing our videos. Form small balls like the ones you see here. Now we will use aluminum foil. Do it carefully so as not to crush or waste anything. I made 3 balls to last the whole month, and I will do the same with all of them. For this reason, many people are looking for more natural and sustainable cleaning solutions, like the one I am teaching you. Now take a toothpick and make several holes in the aluminum foil. This way, our product will release all its components little by little every time you flush. Once this is done on all the balls, our product is ready and will make your bathroom always smell good. It is not a mystery, it is very easy to make, and you can use products you already have at home. Using it is also very simple. Just remove the toilet lid, place the ball inside the water tank, and wait a few minutes. The water will be scented, and every time someone flushes, your bathroom will smell wonderful. You can use the soap with your favorite scent so that it always releases that smell. Tell me below if you like this tip.